We know that creating a component in Fusion 360 is just the start. It doesn't matter what you're designing or fabricating, eventually the pen must hit the paper to get that piece from digital space into reality. And in reality, you have deadlines to meet, criteria to account for, standards to adhere to, teams to communicate with. It's probably been a while since you tried Fusion 360 drawings, and we've been busy making lots of updates to improve it. Over the past year, Autodesk has been investing heavily in Fusion 360's drawing environment capabilities. Features and functionality you would expect from a professional engineering design software are being dropped into every release. The ability to produce high-grade engineering quality drawings from Fusion 360 is simple. Our focus has been on maximizing the efficiency of drafting through additional features. Auxiliary views. Auxiliary views let you project a view parallel or perpendicular to a face or edge. This helps you communicate your design intent by detailing features on faces at any angle. Model properties in title blocks. Insert model properties such as part number, part name, material, and mass into your title blocks. What's more is that these properties are model aware. So if your drawing displays an assembly or subassembly of a machine, and the properties displayed will be for the assembly. If a change is made and the drawing now only shows a single component, the properties will reflect just that of the part. Whole tables. Easily create comprehensive whole tables with the new Whole Table tool. The whole table will follow the drawing standards you've selected and populate the appropriate dimensions and standards for annotation. You'll also be able to use ordinate dimensions, and the table will automatically update if you make any changes to the origin. Revision management. Manage revisions and revision tables using Revision Marker, Revision Table, and Revision Cloud. All three of these tools can be found under the Table panel drop-down menu. Use these tools to call attention to specific changes in your drawing, and update revisions based on those changes. Open model from drawing. Once a component's view is selected, right-clicking on it will allow you to open the design, making edits easier and faster. Open design from drawing supports modeling, animations, and external components. Mass unit overrides. Override units in mass on parts lists and title blocks. Double-clicking on either a parts list or title block will bring up a new option which allows you to override the displayed units. By default, units follow the document settings. It's easy to set precision or change the displayed units entirely. Arc length dimension. The arc length dimension is a useful tool when working with arcs. It allows you to measure and display the true length of an arc rather than just its radius or diameter. On large arcs, or when space on a sheet is limited, the jogged radius dimension lets you override the center point of the arc, displaying a jogged extension line. Object properties. You can now set line type, width, and color for all objects on a drawing, and bring in document settings from a template of another drawing. Additionally, you can toggle dimension gaps on or off to meet your requirements. This gives you significantly more control when creating standardized drawings. Additionally, color controls have been added to sketching and text creation tools. Advanced print controls. With the release of advanced print controls, printing to scale in Fusion 360 is now a lot easier. The new print dialog pulls the list of available printers from your operating system, and the paper sizes come from your printer. Scale can be specified using a ratio, a fraction for example, or a decimal fraction. A pro tip, just select the sheets you want to print from the Sheets bar, then right-click and choose Print. Duplicate drawing sheets. Simply right-click on the sheet bar to duplicate the sheet. All drawing elements are copied with all references, making the new copy independent of the original. This allows you to modify each sheet to include details specific to your stakeholders without starting over and maintaining sheet-to-sheet setup consistency. Copy and paste custom tables. Copy highly customized technical tables from one drawing or sheet to the next. The formatting of these cells and values will also carry over to reduce needless recreation. Automatic center lines and center marks. With the new automated center mark and center line feature, you can now quickly create center marks and center lines for all holes or rounds. We've included the ability to create center marks and center lines on extruded or revolved bosses and cuts, and center marks can be set on or off by the size of the radii. This summary highlighted some of the new features and functionalities we've added to our Fusion 360 drawing workspace, which lays a strong foundation for the future. While this is not an exhaustive list of our investments in the drawing space, we're thrilled to offer these capabilities to our users. With these updates, creating professional level engineering drawings no longer requires outdated software or practices. We value the input of our community and will always continue to listen to your feedback to guide our decisions and strategies. By doing so, we can ensure that our products meet the needs and expectations of our users. Moving forward, we will continue to prioritize the development of drawing features and functionalities. We're excited to hear your feedback on what comes next. Our goal is to make it even faster, easier, and simpler to create anything.